Assalomu alaykum muhtaram metal obunachilari. Jizzaxga chiroyli xonadonga, g'allarorga Navesk Azarok o'rnatib berdik.
Years ago when I was younger, I kinda liked a girl I knew. She was mine and we were sweethearts. That was then.